In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo on Podia. By the end, you'll have your brand logo showing across your Podia site so your storefront looks polished and consistent. Before we start, make sure you have your logo file ready on your computer. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks best, especially if your site uses different background colors. SVG can also keep things crisp at any size. Keep the file reasonably small so it loads quickly, and avoid super detailed designs that can look muddy when scaled down. Let's begin by heading to your Podia dashboard. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you manage your products, site, and settings. From here, look for the settings option. It's typically in your navigation menu. Click it to open your account and site configuration area. Inside settings, find the section labeled Logo. This is where you control the primary logo that appears across your site. Click on Logo. To open the upload area, you'll see an option to choose a file for your logo. Click Choose Image. This will open your computer's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your logo is stored, select the file you want, and confirm. If Podia shows you a preview, take a second to check how it looks. Make sure it isn't blurry, stretched, or cropped awkwardly. If it doesn't look right, cancel and pick a different version of the file, ideally one with a transparent background and enough padding around the edges so it doesn't feel cramped. Once you're happy with what you see, click Save. Saving applies your logo to your site theme so it will appear in places like your site header and possibly checkout depending on your theme. Give it a moment to update. If you don't see the change right away on your live site, refresh the page or open it in a private or incognito window to bypass any browser caching. A few quick tips to make your logo shine. Keep contrast in mind so your logo is legible on both light and dark backgrounds. Avoid overly thin lines that might disappear at small sizes, and consider uploading a version without taglines or tiny details for better clarity. If your file looks fuzzy, try uploading a higher resolution version or an SVG. That's it. You've uploaded your logo to Podia, and your storefront now reflects your brand. If you ever rebrand or need to tweak spacing or color, return to Settings, open the Logo section, choose a new image, and save again. Thanks for following along and enjoy your refreshed site.